So, what is innovation in travel and tourism? So, innovation in travel and tourism means creating new ideas, technologies, or ways to improve the travel experience for tourists. It is when tourism business like hotels, airlines, and travel agencies use modern tools and technology to make traveling easier, faster, and more enjoyable. So, in today's digital age, many tourism businesses use mobile apps, online booking systems, smart hotel rooms, and digital payments to improve their services. So, after the pandemic, many companies also started using contactless technologies to make sure travel is safe. So example, a hotel guest can check in using their phone through the Hilton Honors app instead of waiting in line at the front desk. So the guests can choose their room and unlock the door using their smartphone. So another example is Airbnb. So where travelers can easily book houses or apartment online without going to a travel agency. So these innovations make travel more convenient and faster for tourists. So why is innovation is important in tourism? So innovation is very important because it helps business stay competitive, improve services, and attract more tourists. So since tourism is one of the biggest industries in the world, companies must continue improving their services to meet the needs of modern travelers. So, technology also helps businesses save time, reduce cost, and solve problems quickly. So, for example, personalized experience. Some hotels use technology to remember the preferences of guests. So, Marriott International hotels can store guests' preferences like room temperature or favorite pillow type so that the next time that the guest stays, the room is already prepared based on their liking. So, example, um, another example is real-time problem solving. So, airlines like Cebu Pacific use mobile apps and online notification to inform passengers about flight delays, um, boarding times instantly. So, next is faster booking. So, travelers can now book flights, hotels, and tours through apps like booking.com. So, it will allow them to compare prices and make reservations in just a few minutes. So, use of technology for service enhancement. So, technology helps tourism business provide a better and faster services. So, services to their customers. So, some technologies used in tourism include online booking. Online booking systems, travelers can book flights, hotels, and tours online without going to a physical office. So, using Agoda to book a hotel room instantly. So, smart hotel technology. Hotels now use smart devices like voice assistants and automated lights to improve guest comfort. So, um, some hotel rooms used Amazon Alexa, so guests can control the lights or ask information using voice commands. Contactless payment, tourists can pay using digital wallets or cards instead of cash. So, paying for transportation using GCash, of course. So, mobile applications in tourism, mobile application play a big role in tourism because travelers use their smartphones to plan, book, and manage their trips. So, some benefits of tourism mobile apps include easy hotel and flight booking. So, travel itinerary, um, maps and navigation, instant customer support. So, The of course the Google Maps are helpful because tourists find direction to hotels, restaurant, and tourist attractions. So another example is a tripod advisor. So where travelers can read reviews about hotels, restaurants, and tourist destination before visiting them. So
Good day, everyone. For my assigned topic today, I will be discussing how technology is reshaping the travel and tourism landscape and the benefits it brings to both customers and businesses. To begin, let's address a central question. How is technology changing the travel and tourism industry? The single biggest shift we are seeing is that technology is giving customers a lot more power and independence on their trips. For example, if you stop and think about it, just a few years ago, planning a vacation required a travel agent or many phone calls. Now, think about it. How many different aspects of a vacation can be managed entirely from a single mobile app in the palm of your hand? It becomes clear just how influential this technology innovation has become in putting the user in control. Specifically, technology empowers customers with independence through these applications. A single app can now manage first is their flights, and second is their hotel reservations, and further digital boarding passes. This digital shift has a dual advantage. First, it allows visitors to handle their own needs directly and instantly. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly for the industry, this frees up employees. Instead of handling routine check-ins, staff can now focus on more complex processes and high-touch customer services, which improves overall business efficiency. So let's move on to the advantages of digital technology and tourism businesses. So that sets the stage. For the second part of my report, I want to outline the major advantages of digital technology and tourism businesses in a more categorized way. These advantages, which we will see continue to evolve, can be broken down into several key areas. First is the general rise of digital technology in tourism. This overarching trend is setting the new standard for modern tourism. This rise in digital technology in tourism has revolutionized the travel landscape, significantly enhancing the customer experience and arming businesses with invaluable insights to refine their services. And second is enhancing customer experiences. This is perhaps the most visible benefit, creating faster, more personalized interactions for the traveler. And next is boosting operational efficiency. As I mentioned earlier, freeing up staff and automating processes allows businesses to run more smoothly and cut costs. And next is improving decision making with data. Technology gives businesses rich data on traveler habits, which leads to better informed strategic decision. As we look ahead, the advantages will grow through adaptations of new technologies on the horizon, including first is the general future of digital technology in tourism and the infrastructure needed to support it. The future of digital technology in tourism looks promising, which with advancements like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the IoT poised to further revolutionize the sector. And next is the critical and expanding role of AI and IoT or Internet of Things for intelligent and connected services. It can process large amount of data, personalize customer experiences, and leverage the advantages of using technology to promote tourism, thereby enhancing customer service and reducing operational costs. And finally, the implementation of virtual reality, such as for virtual tours and cloud-based solutions for robust and scalable operations. And another technological innovation that's enhancing the travel experience. Through virtual tours, travelers can experience destinations even before setting foot there, the destination, which can influence their decision-making process. So, in summary of for this my topic, technology is not just an add-on; it is fundamentally transforming how tourism operates, shifting the balance of power to the consumer, while creating smarter, more efficient businesses. And that's all.